Hello guys, my name is Luca from AudioTribe YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to take off the cover on the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 8. As you can see in the back is the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 7. So first of all you need a metal card. And now on the bottom side, this is the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 8. So, as you can see, this is Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 8, this is Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 7. We see here that it has the same dimension of the woofer, 5-inch, the same dimensions on the mid-range driver, and the two dedicated tweeters. The same 5 buttons mounted on top. And in my opinion, I don't see nothing new. What do you think? Do you think this is a better option, or you can stick with the Onyx Studio 7? Remember that these two can't link together. So what is your opinion? Feel free to subscribe to AudioTribe YouTube channel and please hit that like button. Cheers!